From the NASDAQ market site, we are celebrating the IPO of GW Pharmaceuticals. Shares are expected to start trading 1:30 p.m. Eastern on Wednesday. I'm with CEO Justin Gover. Explain to us a little bit what's so special about this company, because medical marijuana is a huge topic right now.
Right. Well, we do something quite different, albeit connected with medical marijuana, in the sense that we're interested in the science that surrounds the cannabis plant. In particular, there are molecules within this plant which have potentially very interesting therapeutic properties, and we're interested in taking these molecules and developing them as FDA-approved prescription drugs. So what we are doing is quite normal within the context of the pharmaceutical industry,
Right.
which is to take molecules which have therapeutic promise, evaluate their quality, their safety, their efficacy, take them through clinical trials, and end up with a prescription medicine, just like any other medicine which is currently available in the United States, which is then permitted to be prescribed by a doctor and taken by a patient, just like any other medicine.
So would it be in a pill form, or is it actually in the raw form?
Right, so we have several drugs that we're working on. Our lead product is actually administered in the form of a mouth spray. Patients take the medicine by spraying the liquid into the mouth. The liquid is absorbed through the lining of the mouth. It's not inhaled or swallowed, and that provides a steady absorption of the active ingredients. Importantly, the medicine doesn't make you high. There's no kind of marijuana-like effect, and we're developing it as a treatment for people with pain who have advanced cancer, so a very needy patient population that is currently underserved by existing pain treatments.
And you're also focusing on the diabetic sector as well.
Right, so we have a number of drugs. The first drug, as I mentioned, is a pain product and is also being looked at as multiple sclerosis treatment. We have another program in development right now, which is an anti-diabetic treatment, so a treatment for the diabetes itself. That's in earlier stage development, phase 2 trials, which is the mid-stage of development. And we have other products in development too in other areas such as epilepsy, schizophrenia, and indeed beyond that.
Can you comment on what you're looking to counteract in the diabetic area?
Yeah, we're looking as a potential treatment for diabetes itself, in particular control of blood glucose and measures such as that.
And finally, what do you see in terms of industry trends? Because it is quite a controversial topic.
Right, and we're aware of that. As you can tell from my accent, I'm UK-based, and we've been running this company for 14 years, and the topic's been alive through the whole evolution of the company. I think at the end of the day, patients and doctors require medicines that are conform to regulatory standards to allow them to be used, and our view is that this is the right and most appropriate way for medicines to be used and for these kind of products to be made available.